Close your eyes and imagine walking into a home where every corner whispers the magic of fall. The golden leaves, the flicker of candles, and the scent of cozy spices fill the air. Each room tells a new story, and today on Bouncy, we're about to uncover 10 stunning and timeless fall decor ideas for 2025. Decor that feels luxurious but stays perfectly on budget. Get ready, because these spaces aren't just about decorating, they're about creating moments you'll never forget. Picture a living room bathed in soft golden light, where knitted blankets drape over the sofa and rustic wooden tables hold pumpkins, candles, and warm autumn accents. The earth tones bring comfort, while the golden maple leaves scattered across the space make everything feel timeless. It's the kind of cozy setting where you want to curl up with a book or share laughter with friends. Imagine stepping into this space on a crisp fall evening. It feels like home, but more magical. Now let's step into the bathroom. Yes, even this space can embrace the cozy spirit of fall. Imagine rustic wooden shelves holding amber glass bottles and eucalyptus branches, while flickering candles create a spa-like atmosphere. Linen towels and earthy hues add softness, and a tiny ceramic pumpkin makes it feel perfectly seasonal without overdoing it. It's proof that even the smallest spaces can be transformed into a timeless autumn retreat with just a few curated touches. Next, picture an office desk that makes working feel like a cozy autumn daydream. A soft plaid blanket drapes over the chair, while small pumpkins and dried flowers in a glass vase add charm to the corner. A steaming mug of tea rests nearby, waiting for you to take a sip. This isn't just a workspace, it's an inspiring autumn nook where creativity flows and productivity meets comfort. It shows us that decorating for fall isn't about extravagance, it's about creating warmth wherever you spend your time. Imagine a shelf styled with stunning fall accents that feel timeless and elegant. Ceramic pumpkins rest beside brass candlesticks, while dried wheat stalks add a rustic yet modern touch. Soft autumn books line the shelves, blending practicality with cozy style. This kind of decor proves that sometimes the smallest details make the biggest statement. Every time you glance at this shelf, it feels like a little reminder of fall's charm, beautiful, curated, and effortlessly cozy. Step into a bedroom wrapped in layers of autumn textures. Plaid pillows and chunky knit blankets invite you to sink in, while a tray with warm tea, flickering candles, and mini pumpkins sets the tone for relaxation. The neutral tones keep the room elegant, while the fall details make it feel extra cozy. Imagine waking up here on a chilly morning or winding down after a long day. It's like living inside a fall dream. This is the kind of seasonal refresh anyone can create. Now, picture a vanity glowing with golden autumn accents. A vintage mirror reflects the soft glow of fairy lights draped around the frame, while amber glass candle holders and dried florals add character. Ceramic pumpkins sit delicately on the table, transforming this personal space into a seasonal retreat. Getting ready here in the morning feels less like a routine and more like a ritual of self-care, wrapped in the magic of fall's warm embrace. Let's wander into the kitchen, where the island becomes the centerpiece of autumn charm. Neutral pumpkins, woven baskets filled with apples and pears, and rustic cutting boards bring a harvest vibe that feels timeless. Flickering candles add warmth, making the kitchen not just a place for cooking, but a gathering spot filled with seasonal joy. It's practical, inviting, and effortlessly cozy, proof that fall decor belongs in the heart of the home. Now, imagine a hallway that welcomes you with autumn coziness at every step. A rustic bench holds plaid pillows, while woven baskets brim with blankets for chilly evenings. A tall vase filled with golden leaves stands in the corner, glowing under the soft lantern light. This hallway doesn't just connect rooms, it sets the tone for the whole home. It whispers, "You're welcome here," every time you walk in. Picture a curated coffee table scene that looks like it belongs in a lifestyle magazine. Stacked books lay beneath ceramic pumpkins, amber glass candle holders flicker softly, and dried florals add timeless character. It's minimal yet filled with details that make you want to stay a little longer, sip your coffee slowly, and savor the cozy rhythm of autumn. This kind of styling proves that even small touches can turn everyday moments into seasonal memories. Finally, let's peek into the kitchen styling that ties everything together. Rustic cutting boards, seasonal fruits, neutral pumpkins, and jars of amber-toned herbs make it feel like autumn is alive here. Sunlight streams through the window, illuminating the simple beauty of timeless fall decor. It's a scene that feels warm, inviting, and unforgettable, because fall isn't just a season, it's a story we live inside our homes. And there you have it, 10 stunning, timeless, and budget-friendly fall decor ideas that bring autumn's magic into every corner of your home. Which one captured your heart the most? And tell me, do you prefer golden tones or bold reds in your fall decorations? Drop your answer in the comments below and let's chat. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bouncy for more cozy inspiration, and share it with someone who loves fall as much as you do.